What's up everybody, welcome to It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to be looking at the Secure Liberty 100 electricity meter and how to get a meter reading for it. So we're going to jump in the meter. I'll show you exactly what you need to do to get the meter reading. So here we have the meter here. This is the Secure Liberty 100. What we need to do is this screen here is going to show you your meter reading, and you're going to use these keys here to bring up the meter reading. So there is a variety of different ways to do it, but this way is going to bring up the single rate which you need to send to your electricity company. If you have solar panels and stuff, it may be slightly different, but this is what you need to do. So on the keypad here, number 9, press that in, comes up IMP KWH, and this is your meter reading. So you need to jot that down, send it over, and the screen will sort of cycle through different ones. So if you need to get back, just press 9 again till you get to the IMP KWH, and this is your meter reading. So send that to the company and that's your meter reading. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please let me know in the comments, because it's always nice to hear your feedback to make sure that everyone's sorted out. But yeah, until next time, see ya.